Hello, good morning student. In the last lecture, we learned a matrix multiplication. Now, some of the problem of matrix multiplication. Look at here. Prove that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC for a 2 by 2 matrices ABC. So for that, what we have to find? First B plus C, then multiply the addition of B plus C with A. So here B plus C, the matrix B plus matrix C, addition of that 3 minus 2 1, 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 4 5 and 2 plus 5 7. Now our left hand side is A into B plus C. A into B plus C, that means A, matrix A, 1 3 2 minus 1, and B plus C is our matrix 1 5 4 7. Now multiplication of these two matrices, first row, first column, corresponding element will be multiplied and then add them. So 1 into 1 1, 3 into 4 12, 1 into 5 5 and 7 3s are 21, 2 1s are 2, 4 minus 1 minus 4, 2 5s are 10 and 7 minus. Now 12 plus 1 13, 21 plus 5 26, 2 minus and 3. Say this is 1. So we find a left hand side value. Now go for a right hand side. So first AB then AC. So for that, let AB is equal to A is 1 3 2 minus 1 and the B is 3 4 1 2. Multiply these two matrix. First row, first column, 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 minus 1, 8 minus 2. And sum of that is 6, 10, 5, 6. Now for AC, this one, matrix A is 1, 3, 2 minus 1 and C is minus 2, 1, 4, 5. Multiply these two matrix. 1 2 za minus 2, 3 4 za 12, 1 1 za 1 minus plus 15, 2 2 za 4 minus minus 4, 2 1 za 2 minus 5, 12 minus 2 10, 15 plus 1 16, minus 8 and minus 3. Okay. Now, what is AB plus AC? AB is 6, 10, 5, 6. AC 10, 16, minus 8, minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 16, 10 plus 26 minus 3, 3. Say second one. Now See, some were problem here. 3 minus 2, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus this is 5 and 7. So that means this is 5. 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are, sorry, minus 5. 1 5 1 5. Okay, so then this is 16 and minus 3. Now 1 and 2 are equal. So by equation 1 and 2, we can say that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Same type of problem can be solved. 3 by 3 matrix, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, like that. So for that, I think so this addition and multiplication process done simultaneously. That means we are applying distributive law. So applying distributive law, the matrix, all matrix have a same order. That means they will be a square matrix, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, like that. Got it? Find left hand side and right hand side, then compare, both are equal. That means, which we have to prove, this is satisfied. Okay, I think so you have no any problem in matrix multiplication. If you found some problem to understand matrix multiplication, personally call me or meet me personally. Next topic, transpose of matrix. Next thing, transpose of matrix. What do you mean by transpose? If matrix A is like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is 3 cross 2 matrix. It is a 3 row 2 column. Now transpose of matrix, it is denoted by A dash, and transpose of matrix means you have to convert corresponding row into corresponding column. That means that first row become first column, second row become second column, and third row become third column. Means order of transpose will be reverse of this. That means 2 cross 3. This is called the transpose of matrix. Means first row become first column, second row second column, third row third column, like that. So means we have to convert a corresponding row into corresponding column. That will be the transpose of matrix. For example, second thing, suppose matrix B 1 2 4 7, then B dash means transpose 1 2, first column become first row become first column and second row become second column. It is 2 cross 2. Reverse is also same. So for a square matrix, order will be same. For a rectangular matrix, that means it has a number of row 3, column 2. It is called rectangular matrix. And for a rectangular matrix, answer will be rectangular. But standing matrix become sleeping matrix. Got it? C. 3 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 1. Then C dash is called the transpose of matrix and denoted by dash. First row become first column, 3 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 1. So this is C dash, transpose of matrix. Now see next matrix D. 1 2 3 2 4 5 3 5 6. Now, find transpose D dash, transpose of matrix. That means D dash. See, first row 1, 2, 3 become first column. Second row become second column. And third row become third column. It is transpose of D. But see, next thing, both are same. We have taken transpose. Corresponding row converted to the corresponding column. But same matrix we are getting. That means here B equal to D dash. It's a special type of matrix. So when transpose of a matrix and a matrix both are same, this is called symmetric matrix. This is called symmetric matrix. So what do you mean by symmetric matrix? A matrix if a matrix A is equal to Aij, and this is possible only for n cross n, that means square matrix. If A is Aij n cross n, then A equal to A dash and A equal to A dash, then A is called symmetric matrix. A is called symmetric matrix. It has an important of these things in mathematics. D and D dash are same. So matrix and its transpose are equal, then we can say that it is a symmetric matrix. Let's see next type of matrix. Let a matrix be 0, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 3, minus 4, 0. Now, find B dash. So here B dash, first row 0, 2, minus 3, second row, third row become third column. So corresponding row converted to the corresponding column. Now, take minus common from all the element. So minus common. So 0, it will be 2, it will be minus 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 3, minus 4, 0. Now this is B. After taking minus sign common, we get a matrix B. That means what happened? B dash equal to minus B. B dash equal to minus B. So this type of matrix B is called skew symmetric matrix. So when transpose of matrix is a negative of that matrix is called a skew symmetric matrix, and transpose and matrix are same, it is called a symmetric matrix. Got it? Let's see next example. Let's check that if A and B, two square matrix are given, then check that A plus B dash, that means transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. So for that, first we will find A plus B. 1, 3, 2, minus 1 plus B 4, 2, minus 3, 1. Now addition of that 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. Now a plus b dash, that is our left hand side. So transpose of this one is 5 5 minus 1 0. See, this is 1. Now for our right hand side, what we have to find? First a dash means transpose of a and transpose of b. So a dash transpose of a 1 3 2 minus 1, and b dash transpose of b 4 2 minus 3 1. Now a dash plus b dash 1 2 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 3 2 1. 1 plus 4 5, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 2 5 minus 1 1 0. See, 1 and 2 are equal. So by 1 and 2 we can say that a plus b dash equal to a dash plus b dash. Clear? Let's next example. If matrix A is 2 1 3 5, then prove that a square minus 7a plus 7i2 equal to 0. 7i2 equal to 0. I2 means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. What is I2? I2 means 2 by 2 unit matrix 1 0 0 1. This is called the identity matrix and it denoted by I2. Similarly, I3 means 3 cross 3 unit matrix. I3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now prove that. For that we have to find a square. So let a square equal to a into a, means product of matrix A 2 times a into a square. So a is 2 1 3 5 into 2 1 3 5. Multiply that. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3 and 5 5s are 25. 4 plus 3 7, 15 plus 6 21, 25 plus 3 28. A square. Now left hand side, what is a square minus 7a plus 7i2? We have to find, this is zero matrix. It is not a zero, it is O. It is denoted by O and O is zero matrix. So all entries of matrix will be 0. So a square is 7 7 21 28 minus 7 into a. What is a? 2 1 3 5 plus 7 1 0 0 1. Now simplified. This is as it is. 7 7 21 28 minus 7 2s are 40, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 and 7 5s are 35 plus 7 multiplying all the elements. So 7 1s are 7, 0 0 7. Now add corresponding element. 7 minus 14 plus 7, 7 minus 14 plus 7, 7 minus 7 plus 0, 21 minus 21 plus 0, 28 minus 35 plus 7. 0, 0, 0, 0. It is denoted by O. 0 matrix. Got it? Now you have to solve this type of question in exercise 4.2 and some of the problem 4.3. I am sending you the worksheet regarding these questions. Okay, see you soon beta. Bye bye.